My name's Steve Cave, and this is my wife, Rachel Cave. Recently purchased and had service done by Masters and had our bathroom redone, our master bath here. We used to have a garden tub in this corner, and they replaced it with a full shower that we had been waiting to get done, and they had done it at a great rate for us and did a great job at it as well. They also did our kids' bathroom in the hallway. We had a toilet replaced and the old tub replaced as well. Did an excellent job with the right price and completed the job on time, as they said they would, so we weren't without a shower for the kids.
The great thing is the new showers on tubs are very useful, much more space, much more spots to put our things, new shelves. I know my kids love their main bath, and I know that I love this large shower. We came from a little phone booth shower, and now we have this nice big beautiful shower with lots of light, and it's very clean. The shower head is great. They did a really good job.